Hi and welcome to this week's project. This bit I have had since the beginning of 2019, I think. This was from Mr. Geoff Smith. I will put links to Mr. Geoff Smith's YouTube channel in the description. Enough to do a project himself with this piece of wood here, and I think it was like a Trampwood box that he made from this, and it actually turned out beautiful. This was a piece of wood that he found just discarded on the side of the road, and he sent me there was actually a couple of chunks of this. That's one piece. This is one piece here that was actually slightly bigger, and I've had an idea for a project to do with it for so long, but I never ever got round to finishing it. So what I did is, back early in the year, I stabilised this because it's really pretty soft and punky. Some of this, you could stick your nail into that. So I stabilised it with cactus juice, and it is pretty solid now. But of course there was a lot of the resin was actually caught inside this, so the project that I'd originally had in mind I can't do now, but I have something very similar to do, and this is what today's video is about. So I just want to say thank you very much, Geoff, and I hope that you enjoy this project this week. This is all going to be in time lapse. It'll be quite a long process to get it finally to a finished piece, so I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much for watching.